E ai ki o mātou mātanga tōranga pū kāore he wā mo te noho noiho. Ahakua kua tau ngā tauranga mo te kōwhiringa pōti o te motu, me tahuri ngā rōpū tōranga pū Māori i Naia nei, ki te para i te huarahi mo te toru tau kei mua i o rātou aroaro.
Across the board we can see in all the electorates that the Māori Party vote has been halved. So that suggests some rebuilding really needs to happen. I think so for their longevity, the option that they should consider is working in an MOU, Memorandum of Understanding with National, work on a project by project basis, have whānau order in there, a couple of their other really key points and projects, and work through those. That way the electorate can see when those things are ticked off, and then they're not tainted as they would be in a confidence supply agreement by the policies that National's about to put in.
Ai, kei te tino riri tō tātou iwi e pāna ki te pāti Māori, e pāna ki tā rātou mahi me te ropu nahinara. Ne? Koere te take mo tēnei. I nāne e tika ana ki te whakaia, ki te hui, ki te kati te pakanga.
Well, for Annette Sykes, I think she came a lot closer than anyone expected in such a conservative seat, and given Tururoa's previous lead. So I think she's a seasoned campaigner. If she decides to hang in for the next 3 years, I think she can definitely make further inroads there, depending as well on what the Māori Party decide to do. But the Mana Party, if they spend the next 3 years strengthening their processes as a party and the infrastructure, we may see some different candidates in the next selection round for the next election, and that may strengthen them even further.
Mohi au I tēnei wā kai se tino pauri rātou, nā te me ko hone anake ka uru I roti te paramata. Engari he rawe te whawhai a Annette Sykes, rawe, tika me mihi kia ia mo tana whawhai I roti te rohe o Waiariki.
I think the Labour Party vote is still strengthening as well, so I don't know if Mana, there's always the potential, I guess, for all of the seats, but I think the Labour, the strength of that Labour vote would be hard to completely undo.